The poverty rate for Native people in 1969 was 57%. 57% of Native people were below the poverty line. That's a lot. In America, when we had an unemployment rate over 15%, we called it the Great Depression. Got all kinds of interventions. For Native people, that Great Depression started with the beginning of the treaty period and it never ended. Today, the poverty rate in Native communities is 23%. From 57% to 23%. Now, 23% is still high. That's not okay. That's an indictment on America and its oppressions, not Native people and their lack of a work ethic or something like that. But it also means we just shaved 34 entire percentage points off of Native poverty. That wasn't a US government intervention. That was something Native people did for themselves. So if you want to know something about how to address systemic intergenerational poverty, ask Native people. They have the best track record in the country for doing exactly that. When we look at it that way, it can move us from paternalism and pity, which is how we're often told to look at Native communities. Oh, those poor people. You know, oh, if they could only get it together and come walking through the door of my wonderful building where I've got all these great services and offerings. You know, things will be so different. Approaching people with paternalism and pity. How many of you have ever approached your spouse with paternalism and pity and had it go really well? It doesn't go that well. But when you approach them with partnership, it's a whole different story. So when you see the beauty, blessings, offerings, growth, and progress within Native communities, in addition to the things that still need further improvement, it can move you from paternalism and pity into partnership. And that is a good place to be. And you can actually get things done.